Hey guys, all right, this is our last day about the story of baby Moses. I'm going to try to send you like a small little video tomorrow that you can watch on baby Moses. But today we're going to finish it up, all right? So remember we talked about how babies are really, really noisy and how there was a special Israelite family that needed to keep their baby very quiet because there was a bad man named Pharaoh and he was the king of Egypt. And he made an evil and sad rule that any Israelite baby boys had to be taken away forever. There was a special Israeli family who had just had a baby boy. They already had an older daughter, but the baby boy would be taken if anybody found him. But sometimes babies cry a lot, and so they knew that if they did not do something, he would be found and he would be hurt. And so the baby's mom made a special basket. She took mud and she sealed all the cracks. And when the basket was finished, she put her sweet baby inside and put him in the bushes by the river. His sister waited by closely to keep a special eye out, and before long some women came to the riverside. One of the women was Pharaoh's daughter. They had come down to bathe, but she heard a baby cry. She found the basket. The princess found the basket and looked inside, and she fell in love with the baby. She decided to keep the baby as her own son. Oh my goodness, that's not what I thought was going to happen. The baby's sister came out of the bushes and told her she knew a lady that could help her take care of him. And the princess allowed it. And guess who the lady was that helped the princess take care? That's right, the baby's mom. And the princess named the baby Moses, and he grew up to be a prince in Egypt.